Holy clutter. What? This is a lot, but we're gonna get this done. Here we go. This is a very big project that I'm taking on. It takes time. I have been taking breaks. Please don't let the magic of editing confuse you into thinking that this is something that you can do in like 1 hour. So in my research of watching a lot of awesome decluttering videos, I did write down some notes and I wanted to share them with you of some things that will help me to declutter, and I just wanted to share them with you. Number 1, why am I decluttering this? Do I love it? Does it have value? Does it look cluttery? Is it a small item? Can I sell it? How much inventory do I want to manage? Do I want to look at it? Do I want to be making deferred decisions? And what that means is Dawn from the Middle Mole Mom, she's the one who suggested that if I don't want to make the decision this year and I just put it in the bin, then next year when I go to look at it again, now I have to make another decision. So it's better to just make the one decision the first year and then you don't have to make another decision. So now keeping these questions in mind, it's going to help me when I make my decisions because I know I have a lot of Christmas. And I also have Christmas up in the attic that I didn't even take down this year. Right, Pepper? It's a lot, isn't it? It's a lot, isn't it? Yes. So this used to be my daughter Emily's bedroom, and she graduated from high school. She turned 18. She is taking a gap year from college, and she is living with her grandma, spending time with her grandmother. And when she left, we repainted all the walls, and that is still her bed and her desk. And if she decides to move back in, I will move all of the Christmas stuff to the attic. But for now, it's the guest room, and I plan to give it a makeover. The walls used to be very wildly painted, and it was so awesome how creative she was. But now that she's gone, I wanted it to be a more peaceful room. So we painted 3 walls white, and then 1 wall was an accent wall, which was a beautiful blue, and it matches the comforter. It's a custom paint match. And like all the other furniture in my entire house, everything in this bedroom is a mismatch of Facebook Marketplace and free items. In fact, I found that headboard on the side of the road and I said, maybe I could use this. It doesn't fit her bed, but I turned the bed sideways to make it fit. I need to empty out that bin so that I can fill it up with this stuff. And then I'm gonna clear off this floor a little bit. This stuff I need to go through as well. Then I have to clear out this closet so that I can put that stuff in there. I can't. It's too overwhelming for me. I don't know. Yes, I can. I can do it. I can put all that here. But I have the under of the bed, the underneath of the bed that I can put that stuff under. So I think I'm just going to put Christmas underneath the bed because I don't have the energy to move all that. So I'm just going to put everything underneath the bed and call it good. I think it just makes much more sense. So let's just go ahead and do that. Okay, I just have the tree left, and then I'm done. But I'm tired. I wonder if this can fit in here. I can't believe I just did that. Yes. I keep this box, but it's filthy. I want to put this here, but this is in the way. All right, that's good. So that looks much better. The room doesn't look that much better. I did all this work. I got rid of a lot of clutter. I mean, I guess it looks better. We'll look at the before and afters, and that'll help us determine whether it's better or not. So this is all the clutter I have brought out of that room. And now I'm going to take it all downstairs. Let's go downstairs and see what my husband is fixing now. Ooh, looking nice. We had a leak in the kitchen and the bathroom, and my husband is fixing it, and I cannot wait to show you guys the reveal. But on the next video, I'm going to be decluttering the kitchen and a few other drawers around the house. Stay tuned. Bye.